In this lesson, I will teach you how to remove the corn kernels. So basically make sure that it's completely clean, and over here I already received it with the bottom cut off, otherwise you would just cut it off straight down. And now we're gonna make it stand up, make sure that it's super sturdy, and basically the corn kernels are laying in a cylinder core right in the middle. So we're gonna go right around it and go against our core. So start from the top and just go straight down. So you see how we expose the middle here? And then you're gonna go again. And just go straight down. And there you have it, little pieces of corn. Now go practice and I'll see you in the next lesson.